How to book on trip.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can book on trips.com. Now if you're confused, well, this is a perfect video for you. Let me get you through this video quickly. Simply open up trip.com application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you want to do is you want to choose now whether you want to book for hotels, you want to book for flights, trains, attractions and tours. It has got all sorts of options. Now suppose you just want to book a flight, simply tap on flight option here and you can see here it's the flights option has popped up here on from. You want to simply tap on from where it says from and you want to choose the country or the place that you want to head from. Now I'll just select Asia here. I'll just select New Delhi. Now on two you want to select the destination. I'll just select Paris here and you can see you can choose in your date by tapping on the date option. You can choose in your dates particularly. So here I'll just select 13 and 14, done, and you can select here, simply tap on the economy, premium or economy option here, tap on it and you'll be able to select whether how many passengers you want. You can select adults. I'll just select 2 adults here and confirm it, and you want to simply tap. If you want to search in for both flight plus hotel, you can simply select this option here and you want to simply tap and search, and if there is any bookings available then it'll pop up here. Now I'll just tap on OK and you can see it's loading up and it's processing. If there is any flights available in that particular time then it'll show up here. Now you can see various options here on below that says, and now you can simply tap on book option on the particular hotel that you want to choose and simply tap on book, and once you tap on book it will take you to the booking page where you'll have to sign into your account. In my case I'm not signed in, but make sure you're signed in and you'll have to go to the payment methods and other details. So this way you can book on trip.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.